This short tutorial will show you how to add video or an image to a web page. And there's a number of places on your website where you can add either a video or an image. Let me show you a couple of those quickly. I can put it in the FAQs, I can put it in the risk alerts. I'm going to go ahead and open risk alert here. Slide over and I'm going to say add a new risk alert. All right, and what you're going to see on the articles, on the FAQs, on existing web pages, most of them, right, is when you go into the back end to do the editing, an editor looks like this. It's called a WYSIWYG editor. This converts whatever you type in here to HTML, and I can do formatting just like I do with Word. So I'm going to give this tutorial a name, and I'm going to call it adding video or images to a web page. And at this point I'm going to actually type in, I'm not going to type in anymore, I'm going to directly copy HTML code in here. So I'm going to actually shift to what's called the source editor, right, where you're putting in HTML code. No conversion needs to take place because you're getting straight HTML code. I'm going to show you that. So I can add an article and make it a video. I can add an FAQ and make it a video. I can change a web page and add a video to it. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the page creator capability and create a brand new web page because I think I might use it for something else. So I'm going to click here, instead of clicking update page copy, I'm going to say add a new page, right? And I like the title I had typed into that other box, so I'm going to use that again. And the page URL, I need to have some things that come after the .com. So I'm just going to call it add video or image, right? Tutorial, I'm just going to call it tutorial for right now. And page description, I'm just going to call it video tutorial. Alright, so down here, I'm going to type that title in again because I like that. And we have to go find the source code. So where do we get that? And if you're going to do video, you may use a third-party source like YouTube, and that's what we're going to demonstrate here. You may also use Yahoo Video or any number of other video distribution sites like YouTube. What you're going to use if you're using an image is probably something like Picasa or Flickr or maybe PhotoBucket. So you're going to upload your content. If you have a video, you're going to upload that. If you have a photo, you're going to upload that. And when you do, they'll do whatever transcoding is necessary in the background to make it suitable for the web. Right? And then on the YouTube site, for instance, there's a little button right here, and there's some funny looking boxes. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice the video thumbnail will shrink. This is a video we have previously uploaded. And up at the top, I have an embed, what's called an embed, and a URL. And the embed is what we're after. On other websites, it may be called embed HTML or embed code or something like that. It's all the same thing. So I'm going to just copy that. All right, so I've highlighted it, I've clicked copy, and now I'm going to go back to our editor over here. That's the HTML code, I have that. So I need to make sure I'm in the source code, and it looks like I am. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste that code right in there. All right. Now I'm going to toggle back out of this, and it looks like I've got some kind of object in there. I don't know what that is. Let's go ahead and preview that. So if I preview that, there's the video, the player, it's inserted on the web page. That's all you have to do. So it's kind of 3 steps. Upload your video to the service, YouTube, Flickr, Picasa. Go to the service, that's step number 2. And copy the embed code. Step number 3 is bring it back to your page editor and just paste it on the page. No technical expertise is required, it'll just take you a minute or two.